In this video, let me show you how to redeem codes in Laz Z Survival Shooter. Laz Z Survival Shooter places heavy emphasis on dynamic gameplay, demanding quick thinking as you evade and eliminate hordes of enemies. The action-packed nature of the game rewards precision and strategic movement, creating an engaging combat system. As of now, Last Z Survival Shooter does not have an in-game code redemption system. There's no option in the menus to enter or redeem codes for rewards. While some videos and posts talk about codes or cheats, they usually refer to gameplay tips, strategies, or unofficial modifications, not actual redeemable codes. If you're looking for extra rewards, there are alternatives like the daily events, alliance participation, and in-game achievements. Also, stay cautious. Be careful with third-party websites claiming to offer redeemable codes. They're often scams or attempts to access your account. Always rely on official game channels and communities for accurate updates. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.